day everyone, and welcome back to Techtorial's YouTube channel. This video is the last episode of our Nearpod series. We'll be covering how to make a Flipgrid account, how to make a Flipgrid, and how to link Flipgrid with Nearpod. First of all, let us start making a Flipgrid account. Go to Flipgrid website, https://info.flipgrid.com. After that, click on sign up on the top right. It will ask for you to sign up with a Microsoft or Google account. Make sure you already have either of those accounts. If not, you will need to make one first before you can proceed. After you are all signed in, input the necessary information like name, date of birth, country, and community. Once you've entered the necessary details, your account has been made. Now that you have made your account, this is your time to make your first Flipgrid. To make a Flipgrid, you need to make a group first. Click on the group button on the website to make a new group. Now let us mess around with the details. First, click on Details. You will need to enter the name of your group and invite members to join your group by email, username, or Google Classroom. Open your group and add a new topic by clicking on the topic button. Then you will be prompted to a page where you will need to enter details such as title and description. You can also add media as instructions like pictures, videos, bitmojis, or stickers, as well as adjust the recording time at least being 15 seconds and the longest being 10 minutes. Moving on, let us dig into settings. First, click on the settings in the menu bar. Here you are able to change the topic status from active, view only, or hidden by clicking on the topic status drop-down list. You can also schedule when the status would be active by clicking on the box below schedule status and selecting a date. Turn on moderation so that responses and comments require your approval before the rest of the group can see it. Additionally, you can enable or disable comments or use video responses by clicking on the comments drop-down list. Beneath it, you can see the closed caption drop-down list. You can click on turn on closed captions in your preferred language. Other settings includes allow attachment links, likes on videos, download, share, and view display count. Camera settings can also be enabled or disabled like expressions, which are basically filters and backdrops and etc. You can also adjust this by clicking on the on and off button next to it. Once you are done setting up with the topic and altering settings, we can continue to the next part, which is linking Nearpod with Flipgrid. Linking Nearpod with Flipgrid. First, open Nearpod and log in your account. Go to your account and then click on Add Content and Activities and click Flipgrid. It will ask you for two links, the topic URL and the to join link for the topic. To insert the topic URL, click on the selected topic on Flipgrid and copy the link from the browser. For the join link, you need to click on the topic and then click on the share button, and then you copy the given link and paste it into join link on Nearpod. Once you copied all of the proper links down, click on the add button and voila, you are done. To monitor progress, you can go to the Flipgrid topic and click on responses to monitor them. Thank you for tuning in for all 4 episodes of Nearpod. Sadly, this is the last episode for this Nearpod series. We hope this series is able to guide you through Nearpod, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of Techtorial videos, and watch out for the next series. See you later. Bye!